In this video, I will show you how to clear your WhatsApp business storage and delete unuseful large file to free up storage space in your WhatsApp business. Open up your WhatsApp business. Then go ahead and click on these three dots from the top. Click on Settings. Scroll down right here. Click on Storage and Data. Click on Manage Storage. So here you go. So at the time of making this video, I have about 844 megabytes for large file size. All you have to do right here, for every larger file size more than 5 megabytes, you're going to see the details. For every forwarded many times on your WhatsApp, you're going to see the number of megabyte size they have consumed so far. All you have to do is to go ahead and review and delete as many as possible. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this one right here, larger than 5 megabytes. Then you're going to see all the file right here. All you have to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on here to select all. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and simply click on this trash icon. Then go ahead and click on this check mark. Then go ahead and click on delete. And you are done. Then by the time you go back right here, the large number file will no longer be found right here, and you are going to save small storage space. Same thing applicable to forward many times right here. Go ahead and click on here to delete unuseful and unnecessary forwarded many time message. Then go ahead and click on here to select all. Click on this trash bin right here to delete everything. Go ahead and click on delete. Then go back right here to your storage. By the time you refresh, you come back right here, click on your manage storage again. You'll find out that some of the message will no longer be found right here. You can review and delete as many as possible, including some of chat messages that you are no longer interested. You can review them right here and delete as many as possible out of your WhatsApp account. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.